Welcome to the Everyday Family Man. Today we're felling a tree in the exact opposite direction of its lean. This is a maple tree that was severely leaning the wrong way, and if I was to let it fall that way on the cut, it would create a lot more work for myself. So I decided to use my tractor and a rope that had stretch to it, which allows me to back up the tractor, put pressure on the tree, cut it, and as it's starting to fall the way I want it to, that rope, because it's non-static, keeps the pressure on the tree and keeps it falling in the correct direction. Well, thanks for watching and just showing another beautiful day on the property. We don't get too many in western Pennsylvania, but this day was about 75 degrees and blue skies, and it was a great day to be outside working. Thanks for watching.